Let me show you all of the available settings for voicemail in Realme Note 60. So first we'll need to launch our phone dialer, then we can click on three dots in the top right corner of the screen and move into the settings. Then there's the voicemail right here, and we have a few different settings. First one is notifications. Inside you'll be able to customize how notifications will be displayed for your voicemails. You can put it on default silent. That means you won't get the notifications if you decide on silent one. We can also turn them on and off entirely, or then there's the pop on screen. When device is unlocked, show notification as a banner across the top of the screen. You can activate that. Then you can change the sound for your voicemail, the notification sound I mean, and you can choose whichever one you like or a custom one on the bottom. Then there's vibrations that we can activate or deactivate for this function. Customize how notifications will be displayed on our lock screen. We can enable blink light, show notifications dot, and override do not disturb mode. So that is all in notifications. Then there's the visual voicemail. In this case, sadly, I can't enable it because of my network provider, but maybe if you can switch it on right here. Then there's advanced settings, and we have our service. You can change the carrier if it's available, or we can click on setup and then enter our voicemail number.